Hi, my name is Martin Andersson, and I will make a short presentation of ProjectCompanion, which is a web-based product to manage many projects at the same time. And I will just show you the main features of it really briefly. What you see here is ProjectCompanion. I'm logged in, and I'm logged in as an administrator, so I have lots of menus. It looks less complicated when you have less permissions, of course. The modules that are turned on are visible here in the main menu. So we have some projects, we have documents, we have a to-do list, a time report, expenses, invoices, resources, reports, and administration. And this is where you configure the system. So the basic idea is that you start projects, you work with them, you have Gantt charts, and you have sort of budgets and things like that. You work with documents, you have a to-do list, you track time, you plan resources, and then you invoice your work. This can be used internally in a company, or it can be used with external customers where you actually send invoices. And these menus can be turned on or off, so you can have just sort of a list of projects and documents if you want to, or you can have more sophisticated functions. Alright, so this is the main menu. Looking at these tabs that you see here, these are on the projects, basically the project overview tab. And my projects, those are the projects that I'm a team member in, or I'm a project manager of one of those projects. So this is a list of my projects. I can see who the project manager is, the status of the project, the progress that has been made, the priority, and the contract value of the project. If I have permissions, I can look at the entire project portfolio or the different project portfolios that exist in the company. So here you can see I have more projects, and you can see that we right now have a total of 20 projects. And you can look at this as a list, but you can also look at it as an overview, what we call master schedule, which is basically the name of the project, when should it start, when should it end, how much progress has been made, and what is the status of the project. So it's an overview for tactical planning. What projects should we focus on the coming period. And then we have this really simple project billboard, which is a way to visualize projects, for example, by status, so you can see what projects are normal, what projects are in progress with focus, which ones have a critical status, for example. So these are just ways to list the projects and visualize them in different ways. So let's go to an example project. Let's take this a new ERP system, for example. So I click on this, and then I go into the home page of this project. And this can be customized, so we can show more or less information on this page. But the basic idea is to see, overview information of the project, the status report, the budget, and outcome, and so on. Let's look at the tabs really quickly. I start with the Gantt chart, which is of course easy to create overview of the project. What phases do we have, and what main tasks do we have? The project status report shows us how much time and expenses we have budgeted in the different tasks, and how much time we actually reported. So it's a budget review list. We also have a to-do list, which is a way to manage all the things that happens during the project. So you can create to-do items and structure them according to the project plan. So this is the execution phase, this is the design task, and this is the specific to-do item that needs to be carried out. And if you check these off, you will get progress in the Gantt chart, and you will get progress on the top level. So it's relatively easy to just add the to-do items and then check them off, and then you will get progress automatically. Right, the document folder, you can create folders, drag files to share them with the team. Notes is basically a way to make simple notes, and these will appear on the project homepage. So basically what this is a way to have an overview of the project, have a budget and budget review, have specific to-do items for different people, and share information and report status, for example. So these are tools to manage the project. Then we can of course look into time reporting, expenses, invoices, resources, and so on. But these are the main sort of features. And just to repeat, this is to get the overview of what projects we should run at what time. We have the overview homepage, and then we have a Gantt chart and some tools to manage each project. So it's a simple way to get an overview of many projects, and also a way to actually execute the projects.